Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to discuss about some important GK questions. So friends, watch this video till the end. First question is, diarchy was introduced in which Government of India Act? Answer, 1919. Diarchy was introduced in 1919 Government of India Act. Next, which river is mentioned the most in Rigved? Answer, Indus. Indus river is mentioned the most in Rigved. Next, what was Swami Dayananda Saraswati's real name? Answer, Mula Shankar. Mula Shankar was Swami Dayananda Saraswati's real name. Next, who among the following did not participate in the Great Revolt of 1857? Answer, Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh did not participate in the Great Revolt of 1857. Next, when did Emperor II Shah Alam give the Devani of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa to the East India Company? Answer, August 12, 1765. Okay, Emperor II Shah Alam gave the Devani of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa to the East India Company in August 12, 1765. Next, Nagarjuna was a. Answer, Buddhist scholar. Nagarjuna was a Buddhist scholar. Next, who established independent rule in Bijapur? Answer, Adil Shah. Adil Shah established independent rule in Bijapur. Next, Rigved mentions the most sacred river. Answer, Saraswati. Rigved mentions the most sacred river named Saraswati. Next, on September 20, 1932, in Ayurved jail, Gandhiji started a hunger strike for which of the following? Answer, for the Ramsay MacDonald Communal Award. On September 20, 1932, in Ayurved jail, Gandhi started a hunger strike for the Ramsay MacDonald Communal Award. Next, Sher Shah defeated Humayun and captured Gaur in which battle? Answer, Battle of Chausar, 1539. Sher Shah defeated Humayun and captured Gaur in Battle of Chausar, 1539. Next, which Sultan of Delhi initiated the policy of integrating Indian Muslims with the administration? Answer, Alauddin Khilji. Which Sultan of Delhi initiated the policy of integrating Indian Muslims with the administration? Answer, Alauddin Khilji. Next, Radhaswami Satsang established? Answer, Mr. Shiva Doyal. Radhaswami Satsang established by Mr. Shiva Doyal. Next, when the East India Company was established, the Emperor of India was? Akbar. When the East India Company was established, the Emperor of India was Akbar. Next, Ranjit Singh did not win which of the following? Answer, Beos Sudlej region. Ranjit Singh did not win Beos Sudlej region. Next, the Secretary of State of India is constituted by which act? Answer, Government of India Act 1858. The Secretary of State of India is constituted by the Government of India Act 1858. Next, where is Lothal located below? Answer, Gujarat. Lothal is located in Gujarat. Next, very important question. How many Upanishads are there? 188. How many Upanishads are there? 108. Next, Banbhatto decorated whose palace? Answer, Harshavardhan. Banbhatto decorated the palace of Harshvardhan. Next. Election policy was published for the first time through which act? Answer: Indian Council Act 1909. Election policy was published for the first time through the act of Indian Council Act 1909. Next. In which year the title of governor was changed to viceroy? Answer: 1858. In which year the title of governor was changed to viceroy? 1858. Next. Where is the 14th inscription of Ashok found? Answer: Girnar. The 14th inscription of Ashok was found in Girnar. Next. Som Prakash, who started the newspaper? Answer: Ishwarchandra Vidyasagar. Som Prakash was a newspaper started by Ishwarchandra Vidyasagar. Next. Who established the Servant Society of India? Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale established the Servant Society of India. Next. Which of the following is associated with medical science? Ayurveda. Ayurveda is associated with medical science. Next. Who started English education in India? Answer: Macaulay. Macaulay started English education in India. Next. Who established Calcutta Unitarian Committee? Answer: D.V. Karb. D.V. Karb established Calcutta Unitarian Committee. Next. Which Governor General introduced the policy of abolition of interest? Answer: right answer is Lord Dalhousie. Which Governor General introduced the policy of abolition of interest? Answer: Lord Dalhousie. Next. Which state had French influence in the court? Answer: Mysore and Hyderabad. Which state had French influence in the court? Answer: Mysore and Hyderabad. Next. Who first introduced currency in their own name? Answer: Bactrian. Bactrian first introduced currency in their own name. Next. Rowlatt Law was passed in which year? Answer: 1919. Rowlatt Law was passed in 1919. Next. Where did the Sufi movement actually originate from? Answer: Persia. Sufi movement actually originated from Persia. Next. The British government formed the Hunter Commission to investigate which incident? Jallianwala Bagh massacre. The British government formed the Hunter Commission to investigate Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Next. Where is Mohenjo-daro located? Answer: Sindh province, Pakistan. Where is Mohenjo-daro located? Answer: Sindh province, Pakistan. Next. Where was the capital of the ancient Chola Empire? Answer: Udaipur. The capital of the ancient Chola Empire was Udaipur. Next. What was the main reason for the failure of the Great Rebellion of 1857? Answer: lack of planning and leadership. What was the main reason for the failure of the Great Rebellion of 1857? Answer: lack of planning and leadership. Next. Janayoga, Karmayoga and Rajyoga, who wrote the books? Answer: Swami Vivekananda. Janayoga, Karmayoga and Rajyoga, who wrote the books? Answer: Swami Vivekananda. Next. Raja Rammohun Rai was not associated with which of the following? Answer: Sanskrit education. Raja Rammohun Rai was not associated with Sanskrit education. Next. Partition of Bengal was cancelled by the British government in which year? Answer 1911. Partition of Bengal was cancelled by the British government in 1911. Next. How many Vedgans are there? Answer 6. 6 Vedgans are there. Next. India's first Governor General was appointed in which year? Answer 1774. India's first Governor General was appointed in 1774. Friends, in this video I have already discussed 40 important GK questions. All questions are very much important for your any kind of competitive exam. I hope this video will help you to increase your knowledge on GK. And friend, if you want to get another video, you can go to my channel. There you will get a playlist. From there you can practice any kind of interesting GK video. Friends, if you want to get another video, you can subscribe my channel and press the bell button to get the notification. Thank you for watching my video.